Good day everyone, welcome back to Lively Life Snippets. Today I would like to share how to make Amoeba Chocolate Chips Cookies. COVID-19 outbreak brings out the idea of contactless delivery. I am wondering, can this apply to cookies making process? The first thought that comes into my mind is wearing gloves, but I do not like to wear them because my hands feel warm and sweaty in them. I got another idea and follow through my video to see how I make these adorable spontaneous cookies without using gloves and without using mixer. First, weigh out butter 230 grams. Melt the butter using microwave oven 800 watts for 0.5 minutes and then cool aside. If some parts still solid, stir to dissolve to become fully liquid. Next, measure plain flour 320 grams. Add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Measure cocoa powder 55 grams or half a cup. Add cocoa powder into plain flour. Add 1 packet of our Huat instant coffee powder. Now, we are done with all the dry ingredients. In separate container, measure 100 grams white sugar and 80 grams brown sugar. Add sugar into melted butter. Break and add 2 eggs. Stir until all the wet ingredients are well combined like this. The next step is pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. My dry ingredient bowl too small, need to transfer. Please don't follow my footstep, use bigger bowl for dry ingredients. Stir dry ingredients till well combined. Add in wet ingredients and stir to combine to get a dough like this. Measure chocolate chips 340 grams or 1.5 cup. Add into dough. Although it looks unpleasant now, but smells nice. Apply a thin layer of oil on baking tray. To make amoeba shape, do not use hands, use 2 spoons instead. Preheat oven at 170 degrees Celsius and when it is ready, bake for 14 minutes. While waiting, can start to wash the equipments. Wash those which are not oily. Then, pump some detergent onto your sponge and apply on the oily utensils next. This way I think helps to save water and detergent. The amount of ingredients end up in 2.5 containers of Amoeba chocolate chip cookies. They are called Amoeba because they do not have defined shape. Enjoy the sweetness. This recipe is pretty sweet, and if you do not like sweet stuffs, you may reduce the sugar by half. Last but not least, enjoy your labor with this crispy on the outside and soft on the inside contactless Amoeba cookies. Thank you for watching Lively Life Snippets, and if you like my videos, hit the like and share button. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you all in the next episode.